Hi, today another topic for our Monday topics. Today's about burping a baby. There's a lot of positions that's been taught to moms, and these awkward holding positions that we never ever hold our babies like that. Why would we restrict them and hold them in these awkward positions? Another thing is about patting their back very hard, and every time, like, the ratio of our hand to their back is really big. It's like, for us, if we were going to burp, a hand this big and at least maybe around 10 kilograms hand pounding on our back. It's only air that we need to remove from baby's tummy. First of all, there is no air in the breast. So if the latch is good, baby is not getting air from breastfeeding. Bottle feeding, there's always air in it. But let's say baby swallowed some air while trying to attempt to latch on, or the flow was fast and he had to gasp for some air and swallowed some air. If baby is horizontal, it might be harder for them to get rid of the air, the air that they swallowed. We'll lift the baby up. Air rises, fluid goes down, gravity pulls the fluid down, air rises, and baby burps. Most people would just put the baby gently on their body and just basically gently direct the air up. Even if you don't do that, air will rise. So you don't need to really do harsh, aggressive pounding on baby's back in order to get rid of a few air bubbles. Okay, be gentle on your babies. Thank you.